Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
So how am I gonna write this as a radical expression? So first of all, this is an exponent or exponential expression. I see an exponent right here, so I know it's exponent. Then they want me to change it to a radical expression. So radical means I have to write this having square roots. I remember this is what I do. So radical is square root. So that's how I'm gonna remember. So I just put down my square root or my radical first. And then this always goes inside the radical. And then with the fraction that I have as my exponent, the top number always goes right here. So that will be the exponent of the t. And then the bottom goes right there. And that's it. Now let me see if I really got this right here. Okay, let's see this. So this one also, again, I'm being asked to write it as a radical expression. So I know radical means my square root. So I have to put that down first. This k will go right in the radical. And then for the exponent, with this fraction, the top number goes right here. That will be my exponent right here. And then the bottom number will be that little number right here. And then of course, if I have an exponent 1, I can choose not to bring it. So I can just get rid of it. And that's it. Okay. So now I'm going to do the other way around. I can also be giving this like, they say write this as an exponential expression. So I want to have this without the radical. So that's how I can remember, or that's how I'll be trying to remember all the time. So exponential, I'm going to write it without the radical. So now I copy what I have in the radical, which is the 7, and my is exponential, so I have to have an exponent. But with my exponent, I know what I have as my exponent in the radical will be my top number of the fraction. So here, I don't see any number, so I'm going to assume that it's a 1. So now I have my 1 right here as my top number of the fraction divided by this little number right here, which is the 6. So I have 7 exponent 1 over 6. That will be my answer. What about this last one right here? Again, I see a radical. I'm being asked to write it as an exponential expression. So I have to write it without the radical. I copy my variable, or what I have inside the radical, which is the z. For my power, or my exponent, this will be my top number of the fraction right here. So I got my 3 over this little 8 right here. And that's it.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.